Okay, so this is a brief review on the book called Differentiating Math Instruction, written by William Bender. The cost of the book is $65.39 on Amazon.com, and I found this to be quite expensive compared to some of the other ones, as it's a soft cover and only 150 pages long. The chapters that I would probably recommend for us would be Chapter 6, probably just because of the type of, or the level that we will be teaching at. The higher order learning is more geared towards 7, 8 and high school, so I would recommend that chapter. You might find this book useful because it provides a few teaching tactics that are thrown in through a variety of chapters. The teaching tactics, although I found some of them useful, I found that they were a little broad and in some senses geared more towards younger age classes than the ones we would be teaching. Another reason you might find it useful is I did find one teaching tactic called a word problem map that would be very useful, and I've scanned a handout that you can also view. I found this very useful just because I find students in the younger grades normally have a lot of problem taking a word problem and translating it into an actual mathematical problem. So I found this to be something that could be useful. Other than that, there's also ideas from teachers where they have taken things that they have actually implemented inside of a classroom to use, that you could use to help teach math. Overall, I gave the book a 2.5 star rating out of 5, just because mainly I found that the tactics that were used in there were based upon theory, and it really didn't give you a teacher's view on how useful they were, or if you needed to do any changes or anything like that. And I also found that it was geared a lot more towards younger classes. Like, it would be useful for anywhere between K to 4, maybe 5, maybe possibly 6, but for 7 and 8 students I really did not find things that useful.